Front-end development, also known as client-side development, focuses on what users see and interact with in their web browsers. Key technologies in front-end development include HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the standard markup language used to create web pages. It provides the structure of a web page. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, used to style and lay out web pages. It controls the presentation, formatting, and layout of the elements on a web page. JavaScript, a programming language that enables interactive web pages. It allows developers to create dynamic content such as interactive forms, animations, and other user interactions. Frameworks and libraries. Tools like React, Angular, and Vue.js are used to streamline and enhance front-end development. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification.